Hi and welcome. Take a few deep breaths in through your nose and out gently through your mouth, and repeat these affirmations along with me. I am now developing positive and healthy relationships. I am now communicating openly and honestly. I am now opening my heart to receiving love. I am now attracting good, loving, kind people into my life. I am now removing the internal blocks that prevent me from accepting the love I receive. I am now welcoming love with open arms. I am now experiencing profound appreciation for the loving people in my life. I am now developing healthy relationships. Well done. Now, as I count up from 1 to 5, you will return to your day feeling motivated, confident, and ready to take your powerful new beliefs and mindset forward. And this will empower you in the days and months to come. Starting with number 1, you now find that you are even more focused and motivated to achieve your goals. 2, you feel a growing sense of confidence and certainty. 3, you feel entirely comfortable with your healthy, positive self-image. 4, you feel a sense of gratitude as you innercise and strengthen your mind. And 5, know that you now have everything you need to succeed. As we finish for now, take just a moment and find one action step that you can commit to taking in the next 24 hours that will reinforce your new beliefs and positive mindset. Now, commit to it. Take that step in your mind and enjoy moving forward. And remember, you are unstoppable.